deck will be underway to Orlando here in just a few minutes. Once we are in there, it's 2 hours and 25 minutes en route. Nice day in Orlando. We'll talk about that as we get a little bit closer. Also today as we taxi down our flight attendants, we'll be giving you a very important safety briefing. Be sure to appreciate you give them your undivided attention. Their primary role on the aircraft is your safety. Thank you again and walk forward.
Daddy, why is every single Star Wars movie and have them trying to destroy it?
Oh my god.
That the Ewok scene. Who is that?
One that's destroyed.
Why? What is that stone telling? Thank you.
Under the seat.
What?
Under the seat.
What?
Under the seat.
What do you mean?
You can't leave a bag here. You gotta put it underneath. No, in the middle.
Sorry, I'd rather keep it here. Because it's safer.
Good afternoon, Frontier passengers. I know we've been supposed to need a volunteer, but I have a better deal for you now. So if I can get one volunteer, I only need one. If you're traveling by yourself, we'll give you $500 cash. This is going to go check straight into your... Okay, stand up. Come with me. Lady in the yellow, she got it first.
All right. Is that $500?
Oh, Rip?
Did he get hit? Oh,
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're expecting a full flight. There are a few more passengers up at the boarding area that are going to be coming down. We usually able to stay in the assigned seats at the time. Yeah, this is your final confirmation at Florida Flight 1779 with service down to Orlando, Florida. If you have changed your mind, do not want to go down to the happiest place on earth, now is the time of us.
I don't like it.
Try watching.
I know
Why is the nose so bad?
It's horrible.
Why is it horrible?
I used to be a closet storage. I did install like You want to look at this one, boy?
I'm never good to put my nose in it.
Man, you're lucky, man.
I never get to. Now it's not.
Good fan. Where the batteries are.
Wait, who's in on the top? Harry? Which one? I don't know. Well, which one is on the top? Harry or that?
Yeah, he's like retrograde angel and end up flying
What did he
someday.
tell you? What did he, okay, ask him what would happen if somebody came down the ring.
What's anybody's citizen?
I don't even know where Baskin is.
Okay, buckle up, guys, put your backpacks underneath.
Not there. No Baskin.
Sorry. Excuse me. Do you want her to go down?
Do you mind?
No, I don't mind. Would you then mind passing? Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no, thank you. Thank you.
This guy's getting pretty rough. Yeah, well, I started here and I went, shit, I'm playing music material here.
She'd be happier.
Playing music material here.
Are you good? Yes, Dad.
Sorry.
Want to sit here? Playing on the road.
Hey, Dad. And the evil.
Actually, it's pretty good.
Ya nos vamos hoy y venimos el viernes. Nos vamos a celebrar mi cumpleaños abajo. Ahora voy a ver hacia Rocky y hacia aquí.
Oh, really nice that one. Sorry, you still don't have the empire.
Van a llevar a Disney a pasear con el
So,
y el cumpleaños de ella van a llevar una.
Ryan.
Ve la camiseta. Me lo voy a poner a Olivia. Olivia, hable con su abuela. Hable con la abuela. Don't press the button. Just talk to abuela.
No.
Okay, don't squeeze me.
I just have one word to say. Go with the mom. Go with the mom.
Let's go, abuela. Where are you going? Don't touch the abuela. Right here, with abuela. Give me the phone.
Hang up on the word? Is there anything
Ladies and gentlemen, the main cabin doors have been closed at this time. We're giving all passengers seated with distance control method. All carry items including all possible secure and get portable archive device such as your cell phone that doesn't allow you to go and get her
Ahora yo le voy a
plug in and your doors for departure and cross check.
Row 19.
Okay, I said too.
After the I'm
despegar, son 3 horas.
Whenever I am
After verify close check, please.
Ok, ahora la llamo cuando llego.
some sort of phobia where every 5 minutes you erase the iPad. I don't get it. Sit here and annoy because I press
You didn't bring any book.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for choosing Frontier as your travel partner. On behalf of your Canadian-based flight crew and Captain McCuffin on our tail, we welcome you aboard. Please pause the use of your electronic devices so that we can have your attention for just a moment as we show you the safety features of our Airbus 320. Please verify the tree cables are up because the seatbelt is in its full upright and locked position. Any carry items under the seat in front of you should be pushed over all the way forward so your row is completely clear. Make sure your small electronic devices are held and secured in a pocket, seat pocket, or carry-on for safe off. This time, as you pull up that safety information card in the seat back pocket, you can follow along as we demonstrate the important safety features of our aircraft. The seatbelt is fastened by inserting the metal end into the buckle to tighten, pull on the leash strap. To release, lift up on the top of the buckle. The seatbelt should be worn well beside across your lap. Our aircraft has 8 emergency exits. There are 2-door exits in the front and 2-door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on each side. Each is equipped with an evacuation slide that inflates automatically when open, emphasizing that each exit door may be used as wraps. An additional life vest is located in the overhead bin as noted on that safety information. Red and white signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to all exits. Take a look inside your mirror. Keep in mind it may be behind you. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only when instructed by a crew member. Pull the red straps to open the container and remove the top. Pull the top to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, strap the strap around your waist, and insert the end into the buckle. Pull to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab on the front, or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of life vests for small children can be found in that safety information card. If needed due to loss of cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. Pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended to serve the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. To adjust, form the elastic tab on either side. Make sure to adjust your mask before assisting a child or another passenger. And although oxygen is flowing, the bag may not inflate. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with lighted information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. Smoking of any kind, including the use of electronic cigarettes and vapor sticks, is not allowed on the aircraft, and this includes the lavatories. Federal law does prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. For those of you that were paying attention, thank you. And for those of you that weren't, good luck. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy our 2-hour and 24-minute flight into Orlando.
For me, please. Thank you. Okay, no, you're fine. Tray table's gotta go.
for the duration of the flight. However, if you do need additional lighting, they'll be located above your seat. Once again, welcome aboard.
I have the map, the one they gave
Dad, Southwest Short Final, runway 6. See it? No, I didn't. Yeah. 320. I know. Oh yeah.
Where's American?
They only send like 2 a day. They come at like 1.
Try the
He's waiting for us. And there's one on final for 15. We're waiting for him to go to A5. And then we go. Yeah. That's one that just landed. See, he's holding for that plane who's landing right there on his team. Because that plane's landed. Yes, we have.
Well, it must have been many, many years ago.
Thompson's 2-4.
Right, then that's supposed to be seated for departure.
There's a lot of people over there.
Right, on this aircraft, one floor, and to the aircraft. For those with little ones, serve an alternate opportunity to take content and all the values on the flight. One person may be ready for more after alcohol, Adjusted behind, 7, get out of 5 7. This is snacks about the level of purchase.
Once again, a reminder, the fasten seatbelt signs are, we are climbing. It's not safe for you to be moving out the cabin at this time. Thank you so much.